Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Got a heck of a work truck to show you this morning. I've already got it fired up, gotten it hot. I'm gonna do a full walk around for you, show you underneath the hood, oil pressure, full walk around, finish up on the inside. This is a 2020 Kenworth T800 Daycab. It's got an X15 Cummins, 565 horsepower, 1850 torque, 18 speed. It's got 46 rears, full lockers, and a wet kit as well. 318,000 total miles. Let's go ahead and get started. See, the frame rails are extremely clean. This one just came out of full detail. Sand and polish all the aluminum, added the rubber. Sanded down, cleaned up the frame, painted it. Very little rust to begin with, if any. Front end of this looks good. You got a few just normal rock chips, a little flake in there on the headlight bezel. But typical used truck stuff, nothing really damaged. So tanks are in good shape. Like I said, the frame rail is in really good shape as well. Get a good idea on that side over there. All aluminum wheels, air slide fifth wheel. Got new brakes as well. This is AG 460 suspension on the rear. Built with a factory split tank for your hydraulics. Two-line kit set up. Back of your cab looks like it's in good shape as well. Pretty nice interior. No seats torn. Floor's in good shape. There's your total miles and hours. You can see it's up at operating temp. Good low side oil pressure. Very responsive. Oil pressure jumps up exactly like it should. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got any questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call. 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.